Assumption method is one of the most important heuristics your child should master by primary 5 because it saves time compared to the lengthy and tedious guess and check. It is typically used when two totals and two different quantities are involved. Example, Mr. Tan has 30 trays of eggs and some trays have 10 eggs while others have 12. Given that he has 324 eggs altogether, how many trays have 10 eggs? Notice that the total number of trays and the total number of eggs are given and that they are filled with two different quantities, 10 and 12. Train your child to spot these clues so they can apply the assumption method immediately instead of using guess and check, because assumption method is a simple 4-step solution. Always assume the opposite of what was asked. In this case, the question is asking for 10 eggs, so we assume all 30 trays of eggs to have 12 eggs. This assumption will result in us having a total of 360 eggs, which is 36 more eggs than the given total. This excess is obviously because we have assumed some of the trays to have 2 extra eggs. So if we divide the 36 excess eggs with 2, we'll know how many trays has 2 excess from 10, which is 18. To summarize, assume all items are the opposite of what the question is asking for. Then find the assumed total. Compare it with the given total to find the difference. Find the difference between the two item values. Divide the total difference by the difference per item, and voila! You get your answer. This method is extremely efficient, which is why we at ILLAC introduce it as early as primary 4 to help students save time and avoid unnecessary guesswork during exams. It is also one of the most commonly tested heuristics in P5 and P6. Bookmark this board revision or come for a trial class at I Love Learning Achievement Center to really go from struggling to AL1. Alternatively, I have all of these tips recorded inside our very own publishing. Grab a copy today.